Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can reset your phone app on Windows 10 back to the factory default. So if you're having a problem connecting with your device, if for some reason it's not connecting to your device, you can try to reset it. To do so, on the Windows, you want to click on this Windows icon. Now there are a few ways to do this, so I'm trying to show you the most easiest way. Right click on this, or you can click on that, on left click on the mouse, and this will bring up this Windows here, and you can type in your phone. So type in your phone, and then what you want to do is right click and then click on app settings, and in app settings you want to go down and tap on reset. You can also try to repair if it's not opening. If you want, you can go ahead and click on reset, and then click on reset. So they say this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preference and sign-in details. So what it means is that any changes that you make to this app, it will be reset back to the factory default, and you need to sign in. You will need to set up your phone again in order for it to connect to this computer. So I'm going to click on reset button, and now it's resetting device settings. And on your phone, it should also notify that some changes is happening between the computer and your phone. And that's it, and you can close it. Another way to do it is to click on here, right click, and then, or you can click on that. You can click on settings, or you can right click or left click and then click on the settings icon here. So either way, it's still trying to take you to Windows settings. And in here you can click on apps, and then click on from the apps and features. You want to go down and find my phone. So normally it's sorry, not my phone, but your phone, and then click on your phone app, and then click on advanced options, and then again it will take you back to this resetting or the settings page. So in here you can reset it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.